Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make circle from vape. Position your lips in a tight O and breathe out slowly to layer vapor. Use a short, firm throat push or tongue flick rather than a long exhale to create a distinct ring. Keep shoulders relaxed and practice gentle puffs until rings form consistently. Adjust mouth size and push strength to control ring diameter and speed while staying safe. Start by taking a medium puff and holding the vapor briefly in your mouth without inhaling again. Make a tight O with lips and use a controlled, quick push from the throat or a soft cough to eject vapor in a short burst. Keep jaw and neck relaxed to avoid distortion of the ring shape. Practice multiple times, slightly varying lip aperture and push intensity until you get clean circles consistently. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for playing beat tracks to practice ring timing or setting subtle ambient noise while you train your technique. It's compact and easy to place near your practice area. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Many beginners blow too strongly, causing the vapor to scatter instead of forming a ring, so focus on a gentle, short burst. If your tongue pokes forward, it breaks the ring, so keep it relaxed and slightly down. Also check your posture. A stable head and shoulders reduce wobble and help produce round, even circles. Small adjustments in lip shape and push timing make big improvements over a few practice sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.